Hi everyone and welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to create a plane out of a single vertex with a few modifiers. First you need to add the plane to the scene and you're done. No, just kidding. We switch to edit mode and merge all of its vertices at the center so that we just have one vertex left. Then go into the modifier panel and add a screw modifier on top of the object. This screw modifier will define the width of our object. Set the axis to X, the angle to 0 and the steps to 2. Deactivate smooth shading, and with the screw value you can define the width of the plane. We just created an edge. Now let's add another screw modifier on top of the object to define the length. Set the axis to Y, the decrease to 0, steps to 2 and deactivate smooth shading. Now with the screw value you can set the length of the plane. Now you're basically done, but because of the screw modifiers there are some extra vertices and edges we don't need. To remove them, just add a Decimate modifier and set the mode to planar. And that's how you grow a plane from a single vertex. Now you can play around with the values of the screw modifiers to change the size of the plane. Tell me in the comments what you think and stay tuned for more. Bye!